Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to turn off location services in iPhone. So first, what you want to do is just open up your settings. Once you're here, just scroll down until you see the privacy and security option right there, so just tap on it. And here we'll see location services at the very top, so just tap on it also. Once you're there, you will see the switch button to the location services on its right, so that's the toggle to turn it on or off. So if you want to turn it off, just tap on it and just confirm it right here. As you can see, it's now turned off. But if you want to turn off the location services for the specific apps, just need to turn this on again. And here, let's say you want to turn off the location for this app. As you can see, there are three options, which are never, ask next time, or when I share, or while using the app. Let's say you just want to make it while using the app, or just want to make it like never, so just tap on it, whatever your preference is. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.